Now that you have joined DQ Labs, you are eager to attend the classes and would want to know how many classes to attend per week. At DQ Labs, we have 3 course tracks of preparation. Design. This helps you prepare for NID, UCEED, or any other design school entrance exams. Architecture course helps you prepare for NATA or JEE Paper 2. Fashion course helps you for NIFT, FDDI, or any other fashion design school entrance prep. Some of you might have joined for 2 courses, combination courses like architecture plus design, fashion plus architecture, design plus fashion. Would have opted for all the 3 courses. Some of you would have opted for all the 3 courses, that is design, architecture and fashion. You would have joined DQ Labs either for a long-term course is generally opted by the students who have figured their passion early on and have joined DQ Labs for a comprehensive, slow and steady preparation approach after their 10th standard. These students will attend 3 to 6 classes per week depending on the course that they have joined for. Short-term course is opted by students who have figured their passion very late, mostly just a month or 2 before the exam. These students will have to attend everyday classes as they have to finish learning the concepts and practice them very quickly in a short amount of time. You probably need to attend everyday classes as shared by your single point of contact. Those who joined for long-term classes are the lucky ones as they got enough time to systematically prepare on a regular basis. The number of classes you attend per week depends on the type of course you have joined for. If you have joined for architecture, you would attend 3 classes per week: architecture theory, design sketching, and design quotient industry e-meet. If you have joined for design, you would attend 4 classes per week: design theory, design sketching, round 2 preparation, and design quotient industry e-meet. If you have joined for fashion, you would attend 4 classes per week: fashion theory, design sketching, round 2, and design quotient industry e-meet. Here is a snapshot of the number of classes one need to attend if you have opted for 1 course. Notice the number of classes translated to hours for online interactive classes versus physical studio classes. The physical studio classes hours are tentative and depends from studio location to location as they have to adhere to the time constraints of the local students. However, the online class hours are fixed. If you joined architecture and design, you would attend 5 classes per week: architecture theory, design sketching, round 2, and design quotient e-meet. If you joined for architecture plus fashion courses, you would attend 5 classes per week: architecture theory, fashion theory, design sketching, round 2, and design quotient industry e-meet. If you joined for fashion and design, you would attend 5 classes per week: fashion theory, design sketching, round 2, and design quotient industry e-meet. Here is a snapshot of the number of classes one needs to attend if you have opted for 2 courses. Again, notice the number of classes translated to the number of hours. for online interactive classes versus the physical studio classes. The physical studio class hours are tentative and depend from studio location to location as they have to adhere to the time constraints of the local students. However, the online class timings are fixed. If you join for 3 courses, architecture, fashion and design, you would attend 6 classes per week. Architecture theory, fashion theory, design sketching, round 2 and design quotient industry e-meet. So the 6 classes are translated to the number of hours for online classes and also for the physical classes. Attend these DQ classes no matter what, whether you are having pre-boards, unit tests, practical exams, family functions, birthdays, events, etc. Make it a habit that you cannot live without. For example, if you need to function efficiently, you need to sleep for at least 6 hours a day, come what may. Similarly, attend the DQ classes religiously without fail every week. If you want to become a design superhero and in the process, you would crack the entrance exams naturally. How to balance your 11th and 12th academics along with preparation with DQ Labs? It is very simple. If you objectively look into the time available for you in a week, you have 7 days in a week and 24 hours a day, which translates to 168 hours per week. And what DQ Labs require is only 5.5 hours. And what DQ Lab requires is only 5.5 hours to 15 hours per week of your time, depending on the course that you have joined. That translates to 3.3% to 9% of your weekly time. This means you have 91% of your 168 hours per week for your academics, social and health commitments. So don't you think that gives you enough time for all the other activities? If you have joined for any one of the courses, we require 3.3% of your weekly time. For 2 courses, we just require 5.6% of your weekly time. And if you have joined for 3 courses, we require 9% of your weekly time. If you commit this time for DQ Labs every week, all through the year, we promise you to make you a design superhero and you can easily crack the entrance exams. Do not miss a single class. However, there could be a few times when you are unable to attend the classes, maybe because of power cut, laptop crash, rains, or unavailability of transport, or etc. In case you cannot attend a class, please ensure that you make use of the time by doing activities related to the class on DQ Edge. And please make sure that you attend the repeat session whenever it occurs. Yes, wherever the recorded sessions are available, they will be shared with you. However, you need to contact your single point of contact through a WhatsApp message. The recordings will be available only for 5 days, and of course, please make sure you attend the repeat class as per the schedule. You can get the academic schedule on DQ Edge and navigate to the course that you are interested to look for. Click on the course, scroll down to access the DQ Labs onboarding module. Look for academic calendar. Here you can find the year-long schedule for theory and year-long schedule for sketching. Please take time to click on it and explore the schedule. This is the schedule for theory and this is the schedule for the sketching classes.